Hi, everyone, and welcome to Goals, Gray, and Growth. Have you ever faced a setback that felt like a dead end, but later you realized that it was actually a turning point? That's the beauty of challenges. So, in this video, let's explore how to find their hidden lessons and use them to fuel your goals. My name is Sabrina Cadini. I'm your holistic precision life and wellness coach and the creator of the Life Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you're ready to grow with me, set inspiring goals, and witness transformation, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss new content from me. So let's dive into one of the most overlooked parts of any goal journey: challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are invitations. At least that's how I see them. They force us to slow down, to look differently, and often to discover a version of ourselves that we didn't know existed. And I strongly believe this: things happen for a reason. Do you agree with me? Challenges show up to teach us something, to guide us toward a path that is often even better than the one we had planned. I know it's tempting to see setbacks as failures, but what if you started asking yourself, what am I learning here? What is this showing me? What is the gift? And that shift can transform frustration into growth and pain into purpose. And that's what today's video is all about: turning setbacks into growth opportunities. So here are some tips that I hope will help you with your goal journey. One, flip the script with positive disruption. Instead of seeing setbacks as interruptions, try calling them disruptions with purpose. Every challenge is a disruption of your plan A, but it also forces you to expand your toolkit. For example, when a project at work falls apart, instead of asking, why did this happen to me? That's what I used to ask myself all the time. But instead, ask, what skill or lesson is this teaching me? So, see, that small reframe opens your brain to solutions instead of spirals. Two, run the silver lining scan. This is a practice from positive psychology that I often use with my clients. When something goes wrong, which can happen, write down three possible opportunities hidden in the situation. Maybe it reveals a blind spot, strengthens your patience, or creates space for something better. You know, the brain tends to focus on loss, but when you intentionally look for gain, you will almost find at least one silver lining. Three, adopt the challenge as character mindset. Think of each challenge as building a new trait in your character. Obstacles delay progress, but they also shape who you are becoming. So a missed promotion might teach resilience. A health setback might encourage better self-care. And when you view challenges as part of your character, they stop feeling like punishment and start feeling like preparation. And four, practice future gratitude. Here's a mindset shift I love. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, looking back on this challenge. What will you thank it for? Future gratitude trains your brain to anticipate the growth even before it happens, making the present struggle feel lighter and more meaningful. All right, so let's talk about my own journey with gray hair growth. I am at month 9. Amazing. And as you can see, I'm making progress. More and more gray is coming in. Ah, it's really starting to get real. Over the past month, there were definitely moments when I thought, this starts to look a little messy. Maybe I should just dye it again. But no, instead of seeing it as a setback, I chose to reframe it. And each stage, even the awkward ones, can be teaching me patience, authenticity, self trust. So here I am, continuing my path. I will never surrender, right? And believe me, when I think that I no longer have to dye my hair every month or even every 3 weeks, ah, the freedom. So these challenges have made me stronger because I know the effort and the courage it takes to walk through them. And just like with any goal, the true beauty is not in a flawless path. You know, the kind that we often see on Instagram, which is polished and seamless, right? But it is in how you show up through the detours and the reality. It's not always perfect, but it's real. It's who you are. And that's what makes it your authentic, your unique path. So cherish that. Don't be like anyone else. Celebrate you. Now, I want you to reflect on this month's topic. Think about a challenge that you're facing right now. What is one hidden opportunity or lesson that you can see in it? Take a moment to write it down. And if you feel comfortable, share it in the comments below. I would love to hear your reflections. If you're craving more tools to navigate challenges and reframe setbacks, my New Year, New You workshop is designed exactly for that. We'll dive into powerful strategies for mindset, balance, and growth so you can step into the new year with clarity and confidence. I also offer customized versions of this workshop for companies and organizations addressing specific challenges and needs to create a more productive and harmonious workplace. You can learn more about the workshop at the link in the description box below, or if you're looking for support beyond goal setting, you can schedule a free clarity call to discuss your unique challenges. My coaching programs are designed to help you optimize or upgrade different areas of your life. So let me help you achieve the success you deserve. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with a friend who could use a boost, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video.